Hey tubers, 3 or 4 water heaters is scrap. So I know I was looking for what to scrap off water heaters, if there's anything special, and there really isn't. So but I'll walk you through it. And like that security fence they put up over there, you either climb over the top or squeezing underneath. How long is that thing gonna last, huh? Tell you, no respect these days. Oh, anyways, all right, I'll get going on this one. I'll do the electric one first for you, and we'll go to town. So first, I'll start by taking the copper off the top. Usually I have a pipe wrench with me, but like I say, today I'm limited on tools. So these can be fun sometimes. Oh, I'm gonna have to wait until I have my monkey wrench. Oh, that one's not coming. So awkward to hold on to. Here we go. Oh, you know you want to come. You don't want to just stay on there. Let's try the hot side. Oh, look at that. No effort. A little bit of copper, it all adds up. See if we can get this bad boy off. Maybe he'll just stay on there. That's the way he's going to be. Get the TMP valve off here. Maybe. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. So there's a nice hunk of brass here. I've just been saving these. I haven't cleaned them up yet. Hopefully it's not too hard to get the brass and the other crap off of there. If not, I'll take it in the brass breakage, but I'd like to just get down to the brass. I've just been hoarding these. I got a whole hoard of them. So, one last time. All your friends came off. You don't want to be the only one left up here, do you? All by your lonesome. You go into the backyard. Oh. That's the way you're gonna be, huh? That's the way you're gonna be, huh? Right, you get to stay. I decided to break out my little bottle of magic stuff. I haven't got a patent on this yet, but I'm working on it. So I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is, but I'll show you how it works. You see me fighting with this guy here, right? Well, here's what I'll do. 2 sprays, just 2 sprays is all it needs. If Willie Mays was alive right now, I'd be calling him up. Get an infomercial. I'll let that work a little bit. Good enough. Now look at minimal effort. Oh, there you go. Just comes right off. Comes right off. Easy enough, huh? You gotta get yourself a bottle of that. I'm not gonna tell you what it is though. You'll find out. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it and be a millionaire. All right, next step. Since I'm not a millionaire yet, I still gotta be scrapping. All right, next step. Get your. You see me? You see that? We're just going to get in here. Oh, probably can't see that, but we're just going to get in there. Take all those wires off, all the screws out. What the idea is to get in here, get these off. Like there's a loose wire there, here's a loose wire here. This one, there should be a red one and a black one that goes down to the bottom element. Sometimes you can yank those up, and there's your copper, and these go up to your connections up top up here. Sometimes you can yank those down and get rid of those. So there's nothing good in there. I can save a pile of these elements. The elements usually aren't worth keeping, so you get rid of those. But thermostats, I got a pile of those, so I don't bother keeping them anymore. I know there's some copper and brass in there, and I just throw them into my scrap pile, and if I feel like messing with them, I will. So there, I got the bottom one out and the top one out, and you get a couple little wires like that. That's good 8 gauge, 10 gauge, solid copper. So you can strip that and turn it in, or just turn it in with your insulated wire. But now what I'm going to do is just see those wires hanging out there. I'll try to pull those down, and those wires should follow if they're moving, and I'll pull those down and they'll come off the top. So sometimes you can get them out, sometimes you can't. Sometimes you just break them, but you know, every little bit helps. So I'll just grab onto them with my channel locks here. Oh, there you go. More wire. That's the good stuff. It doesn't look like much, but you can get enough of these and throw it in with the other wire, and it adds up. It gets heavy fast. And copper is going for $3 or $4 a pound, or a pound. So it's the most expensive things on here. And there's your thermostat. I'll throw that in my pile. Thermostat on bottom. And I will just throw these back on because it's weight and metal. And what am I going to do with them? So I'll take those into the scrapyard. And we'll see if we can get onto a gas one for you here. Oh, thanks for hanging with me today. Usually I don't have this many people hanging with me, so I'm not responsible for any lost fingers or anything that blows up. Not responsible for anything that you do, because if you're dumb enough to do it, it's your own fault.